You want your hair to go from being hard to soft, then try oil rinsing. This is something that I've been doing and it has been working well for me. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I oil rinse my hair. I literally dumped my hair in so much oil, like I was prepared for this, because as you guys know, or if you have seen my last post, I just came out of a long protective styling and my hair really needed this treatment. So I decided to go all out and give my hair the treatment that it deserves, like some extra TLC. So I'm going to section my hair because, of course, why not? I work better when I section my hair, and also it feels less stressful and difficult to undo. So I pack my hair into 4 big sections so that I can be able to, take my time and do this properly. So this is just a light separation, nothing much, because my hair is already like 70% detangled. But before I handle my hair, I like to spray some of my herbal mix. Like this is like my liquid any day, anytime. So I have videos on how I make this. I'm going to leave a link on your screen so you can see that. So what this does is that it helps soften my hair. It helps to just make it flexible, make it easy to work with. And then I go ahead and I bath my hair with some oil. Guys, this was so satisfying. And this is my hair growth oil, which also I have a video of how I make that. Guys, please check the description box below. I'm going to leave a link to all these DIYs that I used in this video. And so I have that. I just bathed my hair with oil, like the oil was dripping on the floor, dripping on my shirt. But yes, I was really ready for this. Like it's been long overdue. So as you can see, my hair was feeling so soft. It helped me so much. The reason why I'm so shocked with this oil rinsing, even though I've been doing much of it lately, but not really in the way I did this particular one, because my hair felt so soft. It was really easy to detangle. As you can see, I just use my hands to rake through my hair and it just comes off easily. Like I was thinking it was going to be a challenge, but the oil really helped me. My hands could glide through my hair easily. Like this was one of the quickest oil rinsing or pre-poo treatment that I would ever do in my on my hair, because it was fast, it was easy. So it really surprised me. And of course, you can use any oil of your choice. Some people feel good using coconut oil, some people feel good using avocado oil and the rest. So but I've always stuck with my hair growth oil. Like even if I didn't have the time to make my hair growth oil, I would just use plain olive oil. So whichever one goes well with your hair, please feel free to use that. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to the rest of my hair. And as you can see, guys, my ends are not left out. Like I said, I really dipped the ends of my hair into this and I just poured the whole thing. I also made sure to dip these oils into warm water so that I can have warm oil, because you want to open up the cuticles of your hair and allow these oils to penetrate deep into your hair strand. So as you can see, everywhere was messy. Guys, the oils were dripping. Like you could see this and say it's a waste of oil, but I see this as giving my hair some extra TLC, like some tender loving care, because it's been 3 months of protective styling straight up. And I've been washing my hair during those times, but this felt different. Like it felt like my hair really needed this. And I'm also doing this with my hair loose, not that I'm doing this on twists like I was doing during the 3 months protective hairstyling. So yeah, that is what my ends look like. I think I need some trim, but I'm not going to do that now because my hair still feels okay. It's not been long. I did some trim, and overall trimming my ends has been helping my hair feel healthy and good. So this is what oil rinsing look like you could also do this in your shower, like if you don't want to mess your floor or make a mess of your shirt, you can do this in the shower. You can just bathe your hair with as much oil as possible because this helps to preserve moisture. It doesn't strip your hair even after shampooing, so you can retain more moisture even after shampooing your hair. It makes your hair feel shiny. It has a lot of benefit, especially if you're using an Ayurvedic oil to do this, because you're going to get all the benefits of those Ayurveda in your hair. So I would encourage you to try this out. Now just take it as something you can do. You might not do this every week. You can do this maybe once in a month or twice in a month, just before you shampoo your hair. You can give your hair this kind of treatment so that your hair feels strong and healthy even after shampooing your hair, because sometimes our hair is not able to go through the rigorous process of shampoo. So sometimes most people complain of their hair being dry and frizzy after shampooing their hair. But one of the ways to cope that is by doing this oil rinsing treatment process. And as you can see, I don't leave my scalp out of this. I make sure every aspect of my hair is covered, because your scalp also need this. It's the breeding ground for healthy hair growth. So if you want your scalp to bring out healthy hair, you have to feed it with the right things. For example, in this case, feed it with some good oils, massage that in properly, and you're going to see your hair feel great. You're going to see your scalp bringing healthy hair, and also speak good words as you do this. Don't look at your hair as the worst thing that has happened in your life, because there is power in the tongue, there's power in whatever you say to your hair, and that is what will manifest. So if you speak good things as you're doing what you need to do, you're going to see good results. And don't forget your edges as well, the nip of your hair at the back, and every inch of your hair has to be covered. So my hair was feeling good at this point. It was feeling so soft. Like I can never imagine my hair was hard before. My hair feels soft. Like I could pass my hair right now for a 4A or 4B hair. Like it was so soft. So I'm done with this process. All I need to do now is to cover it up with a plastic bag and sit under my steamer cap, and then leave it for at least about an hour. In this case, I think I will just do less than an hour, because I really have a lot going and I needed to run. So I'll just take shorter time. Ordinarily, you want to leave this for as long as possible. The longer, the better. It's going to help infuse all those products into your hair. So thank you guys for watching. Like, this is the end of today's video. I hope you learned something from it. I hope you're going to try this out. If you are going to try this out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button on your screen, and also like this video, give this video a huge like, and comment in the comment section. This is the shedding I got from this process. So little because my hair was not dry. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.